Valentine's Day by Gail Gibbons. February 14th. Valentine's Day is a special day for love and friendship. It is celebrated on February 14th. Many years ago, people believed there lived a kind man named Saint Valentine. Valentine's Day is named after him. He was the patron saint of lovers and was friends with many children. Children would give him letters and flowers to show their love. Perhaps that's how the custom of giving Valentine cards began. People also thought that on the same date, birds chose their mates. Some young people wanted to choose their sweethearts by picking a name from a jar. Today, different kinds of Valentine cards are given. There are sweet and loving Valentines. And silly ones too. There are very fancy Valentines, and others pop up when they are opened. Some Valentines are made at home, and others are bought at stores. People have always believed that love comes from the heart. A sweetheart is called a Valentine too. Some admirers give their Valentines flowers on Valentine's Day, and others give boxes of candy in the shape of a heart. There are cakes and candies in the shape of a heart too. Some even have messages printed on them. Many decorations are used on Valentine's Day. There are hearts, laces, ribbons, and flowers. And there is Cupid too. A long time ago, people believed that when Cupid shot his arrows into their hearts, they fell in love. Also, parties are given on Valentine's Day. Valentine party games are played. And there are lots of goodies to eat. At other parties, people get their Valentines by bringing special boxes. Cards are put in them. Maybe this idea comes from the time when the names of sweethearts were placed in jars. Some Valentine cards are sent and happily received. Valentine's Day is the day for saying, I love you. How to make your own Valentines. You need white, pink, and red paper, scissors, glue, lace, stickers, ribbon, crayons. How to do it. Step 1. Fold one white paper, one pink paper, and one red paper in half. Step 2. Cut half of a heart shape like this. Make the white one the biggest, the pink one smaller, and the red one the smallest. Step 3. Glue them on top of another like this. Step 4. Decorate the edges with lace, stickers, and ribbons. Step 5. Write a Valentine message in the middle. Step 6. Have fun making lots of them. How to make your own Valentine box. You need one box, white, pink, and red paper, scissors, glue, lace, stickers, ribbon, crayons. How to do it. Step 1. Glue the colored paper to the sides of the box and around the edge and top. Step 2. Cut a slot in the top of the box that is big enough for Valentines to slip through. Step 3. Decorate the box with lace, stickers, and ribbons. Step 4. Write your name on the top of the box. Step 5. Now you are ready to receive lots of Valentines. The end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.